Oh, Misterine Studio 2.02 is now out. It's a quality of life update and makes certain things in your life easier, and it also accelerate how you can go about creating new projects, especially anything that's using the new styles that were released in 2.0. So our styles, if we go create a new project, we're going to do 2.02. Right here, top one is there's a new project metadata that says what kind style we're going to have as our default for anything in our project. Means if we go create a new project process at any point in the future, it will start off with whatever it is. You can always change. So let's change and have a showcase style. 2.02 showcase or not. So right now it's a showcase style. There, finish. So it's going to create our new project and process. So here we have a new feature. It shows us what this is, that this is a process, that is a project. We can actually change our process style down here. It's a catalog. We have a new icon to show us that, so we can quickly get an idea of what we have in our different processes. Now, you also notice there's another set of things we've done. So now, if you are doing anything, it's always going to come up fully connected. The reason this is now possible is we can drag and drop right onto here. If I control click, it'll put it right in the middle. It does require us to do some work. I can always hit this to get it back out. But this means we can drag and drop anywhere in and be able to get our things in here. Now, we were doing a showcase, so we don't actually want those. We'll reconnect up. Also, we saw when we created a new one that we have a 3D scene already included. This is now the case for any showcase or any catalog. We'll have it. So the 3D scene's already there, so we don't have to add them because we know it's going to be there. In the case of a manual, it's not because you might actually have it there without. And that allows us to see any of these. Now, inside the 3D scene, we've added a few things. So in our 3D scene, we've made some minor improvements. This is now much less of a button and has still access to all the same things. If we import something into our scene so we can see, we're just going to go here on the desktop. We've got a little robot. We're going to center him. We'll add this just so it doesn't complain about it anymore. So we've got our robot here in the middle. Once we have everything done with our project, we'll say this is done. We do now have an ability to go and clean a project. This will clean everything. It usually does. If we're really doing everything, to get rid of our undo, redo, clean up unused resources, and make this project smaller and more shareable, particularly if we're giving this to other people as that. So now all of that undo is there. This reduces the size on disk, but most importantly, means all of your edits while you are creating stuff are not there for anybody else to see if you're sure. So those are the new features in 2.02, all set up for you guys to use. We hope these help make life a little easier. And as always, give us feedback if you have other ideas of what we need to do for quality of life improvements or features that you want added.